There are many ways to work with or edit with image in Adobe Photoshop, but in here class, we will learn selecting images as I think it is the most essential ways for using Photoshop editing. So once you will learn this, you will be more confident of using other tools in Photoshop. So there are ways on how to select image from the selection tools from here. So we have the quick selection tools. We have also the lasso tool. This one, lasso tool. We have also the magic, right? So the magic selection tool. This one. So by just clicking this image, you can already select your image. So nakaset siyang as background. So let's transform it into layer para makapag-select tayo. So ganyan lang kadali actually yung magic wand tool, but then I prefer using pen tool kasi yung pen tool nakikita mo talaga kung ano yung kukunin mong outline ng image. So in selecting the tool or the pen tool class, the icon is this one. So yung icon niya, you just click it and then you may start selecting an image. So i-zoom natin para matignan talaga natin yung gusto nating i-select. So once you have clicked this one, you can already select an outline of the image. So say for example, you have this one and then okay, i-outline natin siya ng ganito. Selecting an image para ilagay natin dun sa kabila. So should be very careful in selecting kasi para mas maganda yung pagka-select niya, dapat i-zoom natin like yung ginawa natin kanina. And select. So, select until such time na mabuo natin siya. Okay. Okay. So, until the end. And then, yung magic one kanina yan eh. Okay, hindi ko na-select doon sa part na yun. Pero, there are ways naman para maalis natin later. So, ayan. Until such time na mako-connect na natin yung dalawa. And then, right-click, then make selection. So, yung feather radius, para maging ano lang, sa feather-like lang, yung para maging blur yung selection natin doon sa mga outline niya. And then, click OK. So, that's it. That's simply selecting. And then, I want to transfer this one to other file. It can be. So, just click the selection or the select tool and then, okay, ano natin, ilagay natin dito. So, ganun lang. And then, para maging mas bigger yung image natin, we can select, right-click. Let's try to create a new one. Then, untitled. So, transfer na natin yung image natin, ilagay natin dito. Okay, so ganun lang kasimple yung and then Control T pa pala para ma-minimize natin yung image natin. So, and then click OK. So, ganyan lang yung pag-select ng image. Okay, so for the next video class, we're gonna learn how to insert text, modify, and edit text.